say I have this page in Notion. That's the essay that I'm working on regarding this topic. And I open the Notion AI chat and I ask it to generate a PowerPoint presentation based on this content. Use the brand guidelines on brand guidelines. That's a page where I document the specific font and style to use. So I'm going to send it over. And the Notion AI agent will start working on this request. And you will see here under the thinking steps that it will load the PowerPoint skill to create a presentation and then do other things. And here you can see all the steps taken, such as loading the skill to read documentation about it, loading the artifact design skill, and loading the computer tools, which is what this video and the essay that I'm going to post on my website is about. When Notion AI uses the computer tool, you can also see the command that it runs on this virtual machine that it's using. You can see the command and also the output of it. Once all these steps are done, the file is made available to save. If I click on it, it opens as a preview. And then here I can present, I can add it to a page, or I can download the PowerPoint file. If I download it, you can see that it opens correctly in PowerPoint. And I can make edits as needed. I can also continue by asking Notion AI to iterate on it based on my feedback. This, of course, doesn't just apply to PowerPoint files. It also applies to PDFs, Word documents, and any other file type really that you can think of and that a computer can generate. It is also useful for data analysis, for example, or extracting text from a PDF or any other file that you can attach to the chat and then let Notion AI do the work. And last, I want to show you a recent feature as well that was launched, and that's very interesting, and that's the HTML embed block, where you can actually ask AI to generate a live HTML file. That could be a mock-up of a website. So say you're working on a website design project and you want to mock up a quick V1 of the website design. You can easily ask Notion AI, following your content in the Notion workspace and any instructions that you have around your vision, and then iterate on that file easily from Notion, where you can also interact with the HTML preview in one place. For example, here I'm gonna type that I want a mock-up of a simple landing page for this essay, and you can see the essay, which is this page in Notion, is attached as context. Or I can just mention any page across my Notion workspace to give it additional context on what I want. Here I can select the model, which right now are limited. And then I can send it, and Notion AI will generate the HTML file. This also creates a chat in the background, so I can open the chat here, and it will appear under the list of my chats in the dedicated menu. This uses the Design Skill Artifact tool, which is just another tool available to Notion AI to design things. Once it is done, here is what it looks like. I can interact with it, opening full screen, and this is an HTML file previewed directly within Notion. I can iterate on the chat to make changes, and I can also download the file if I want to import it somewhere else because it is valid HTML. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or thoughts or want to work together, leave a comment or find the relevant links in the description of this video. For now, thanks for watching. I wish you well and see you in the next one.